Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add animated number counter in your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so before getting started, let me show you the demo. You can see here when I just reload the page, all those numbers are actually animated. Okay, so let me show it again. Okay, let's say I just landed this page and I'm going to scroll down, and then once these numbers come to the screen, then it will be animated. Okay, so let me show you how you can add these to your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so here I am on the page builder. Okay, so I'm going to take a full with row. Okay, here is the row. Let me make it white background, or let me make it pink. Okay, so now I'm going to add a 3-column row where I will add the number. Okay, and each of those rows I'm going to add a background color which is white, and then I will add those numbers. Let me give some margin, okay, so that we can see the difference. It's 10 pixel both side, okay, the left side and right side. It's actually not the design tutorial, but I'm just doing this to make the numbers looking good. Okay, so here I will add headline, okay, for all of them, and then I will put the number. Let's say for the first one I'm going to put 350, and then let's say put 490, and then let's say I'm going to put number which is this one. Okay, and then I'm going to increase the font size a little bit, let's say for 55 pixel. Okay, 55 pixel, again 55 pixel. Okay, so all those numbers are good now. One more thing I need to do. First of all, I need to give this intersection a custom CSS class. Okay, so what is the class? Let me show you. For the previous one, you can see here I have added a class which is number section. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this and then going to add this same class to this particular section. Okay, I added this number section, and then for each of those number we have another custom CSS selector, okay, which is number. Okay, let me copy it, and then I'm going to put this CSS selector to all of those. Okay, so how you can do this? Just select the number and go to the advanced tab, and then on the custom class just enter it. Okay, put the number selector and then click your enter. Okay, so let me do this for all of them real quick. Okay, so we are almost done. Okay, and you can see here we have a little bit code snippet. Okay, so I'm going to put this code snippet at the end of this section. Okay, so you will get this code snippet right inside our GHL Code Snippet library, and under this video, okay, you will see this. Okay, so now all you just need to copy the code snippet from GHL Code Snippet library, and then get this code editor element into your GoHighLevel page builder, and then paste the code. Okay, it's very simple 2-line code, so I'm not going to show this because this is not mandatory, because you will get this code inside your members area. Okay, so let me save the page and then I will preview. If everything goes well, then I should have a properly working number counter. Okay, we can also add the content, like if we want to add some sub-headline text into this. Okay, we can put any content here, okay, from the editor. Okay, so let me save it again, and then I'm going to preview it. Okay, let me scroll down. Okay, you see here both of the numbers are working. Okay, so this was the previous one, and these are the new one I just added. It's pretty simple and easy to use code snippet. Okay, all users need to copy the code snippet from the library and then put this under the code snippet. Okay, and then you need to add two different class. Okay, your section where you actually added the number, you put a custom class which is number section, and then for each of those number, okay, you can just get a headline and then put your number that you want to animate, and then get give a CSS class to all those number. Okay, this is the CSS class which is number. Okay, you can see here the custom CSS class is number. Now we are all done. Okay, so this way you actually can add this type of animated number counter in your GoHighLevel page. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. And also one more thing I want to share with you. Okay, so if you want to join our GHL Code Snippet library, okay, then you can also join our community, which is completely free. And inside the community, into the learning tab, you will get the GHL Code Snippet Unlimited, Pro Unlimited, and also the basic version. Okay, so the basic version is totally free. When you join to this community, you will get the basic version of GHL Code Snippet. There you will get the limited access to our code snippet library, and then if you want to use all our code snippet, all our pro code snippet, then you need to upgrade your account to the pro version. Okay, otherwise you can keep join here into this community. You can post your comment, your requirement, or if you have any other questions, you can follow all other users. Okay, so what we are sharing here, and also one more thing here, you will see some free training and other stuff into the learning tab. Okay, so you can enjoy all those content from here. Okay, so thank you very much again for watching this video. Have a nice day.